Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is the last day of our $1,000 Robinhood challenge for this week, and I will review my account to see my performance and do a review about what trade I've done. Also share of some things I've learned through this week's investment. So in this week I started on Tuesday and I bought 2 shares of Microsoft, and on Wednesday I also bought 2 shares of Disney because I received a notification that Disney released their earnings for this quarter, and they have more than 57 million subscribers during the past several months, which shows that the significant increasing number for their Disney Plus service. Although Disney has shut down their park as well as a hotel during this period, and they suffer the loss in this part. Currently, I have some Disney shares in my another account. I bought it at around $100. I would expect it to grow around 50% this year. So in this week, until now, I earned $13. I'm not proud of that. I don't think that shows a good trading performance in this kind of environment when almost all the stocks is going up. But since it's the last day of our challenge, I'm gonna sell the stocks I have. So currently I have 2 shares of Disney and 2 shares of Microsoft. So Microsoft, I bought it at 212 and the current price is 214. I do believe it's gonna doing up, but since this challenge purpose, I need to sell it today, so I'll start the limit order now. So sell and limit order to 2 shares. For Disney, the current price, the purchase price is 107.5 and the current price is 131. So I'm gonna sell it at the current price as well. So the price is a little bit higher than the current price shown because I found that Robinhood data is delayed. So the current price it shows doesn't necessarily mean the current bid or ask price in the market. So yeah, I just place a limit order and my gain would be 1% this week. So now let's talk about the reason I wanna buy Microsoft is I saw the news or rumor that Microsoft is in negotiation wanna buy TikTok business in 4 countries including US, Canada, New Zealand and Australia, like the developed countries of TikTok's markets. And I think that would be a good news for Microsoft stock because in my opinion Microsoft's users seems on the other side because they have the kind of monopoly in the Microsoft Office field. So if I need to work on the Excel or PowerPoint, I have to use their software. It's most usable product. Their development in gaming, in Xbox, the product is pretty good, but they didn't have a lot of younger users, especially Gen Z, and it shows that, so for current Gen Z users in the United States, like more than 70% of them is using TikTok. So by acquiring the TikTok, they can further understand the behavior and the needs of users. So that seems can help Microsoft catch up the last train of this trend of social media. The most valuable part of TikTok's business is its AI algorithm. That means it will always recommend the content you wanted to see based on your past viewing history. I feel like TikTok's recommendation to me, that's pretty good. It's at least as good as what YouTube recommend me. So the machine learning it has is pretty accurate. But I don't think this acquisition they will also acquire their AI technology. I think most is their business operation in US as well as their current users. So anyway, I bought Microsoft on this news and I bought Disney on the news of their increasing number in Disney Plus of 57 million users. Yeah, so there's some takeaways I have from this week's challenge. The first one is it's important to check the signals from time to time. Because for Disney, I think the open price at that day is 123, but my purchase price is 127, which is $4 more because I didn't check my phone in time and I was working on something else. So I think for day trading / swing trading, it's important to check the signals, like always look at the screen and to ensure you act in the fastest way. And the second takeaway is I didn't take all the buy and sell signal. I only choose blue chip stocks that I have done research of. Although I know some stock like PENN, the stock increased like 40% in 3 days. I do miss that opportunity, but I feel like, as I mentioned before, not losing money is more important to like earn more money. And I feel like now I'm studying or working for several years, I really understand how hard it is to earn money. I feel like all those are the savings that I earned through sweat and tears. I just don't want to risk that. So for that reason, I'm very risk adverse and very cautious when I do the investment. If I buy the stock of Disney and Microsoft, I don't need to worry about that. While I'm working, the stock price suddenly dropped 20%. In that case, I will think that must be some bugs in Robinhood system. The third takeaway is I think my strategy for this week is like buy on the news. It seems a little bit delayed because sometimes I saw the news, the price already increased. So I think from next week I also trying to look at the chart of some active stocks, trying to grab the price volatile before the news has happening everywhere. So yeah, that's all my results for this week's Robinhood challenge. Thank you guys for watching, and I will continue to do this challenge every week. Hopefully I can improve my performance from time to time. So I will see you guys very soon. Bye!